I actually do not know what I did wrong with this banana bread recipe. It did not come out nice at all. It didn't look anything close to what I normally see on the screen. I did not see this. Like, it was so just somehow. So let me just tell you guys what I did and tell me where I went wrong, so that when next I try it in the future, it will turn out better. So what I started by doing was by peeling my very ripe bananas, then I added it into a bowl, then I began mashing it. The first thing I did not like about the banana bread outcome was that the banana taste was really potent, very strong, and I did not like the taste at all. Like, it was very potent. And I'm sure if it was a real banana bread, a very nice one, I would love it. But I've not tasted it before, so I cannot say yes. Then I cracked in 4 eggs into the mashed bananas. Then I added in evaporated milk, a whole tin. Then I added in vegetable oil, then sugar. I mixed everything. Then I added in my flour. When I added in my flour, I added in my nutmeg powder. Then I added in my what do you call it, baking powder. I don't know where I went wrong. I mixed everything to combine, then I tasted it. It tasted really nice. Someone else tasted it. It tasted really nice. Now, I don't know whether it's the baking process that is the issue. I do not know. If you know, please let me know, please. When I started baking it, I was impatient. I would say I was totally impatient. I was just checking on this every 5 minutes, like opening the oven, checking, and I know that's really bad while baking. I was impatient checking it, and I noticed that it was kind of, one part was sinking, the other side was baking properly. Everything was just off till it got ready, and I took it out of the oven. Then I cut it to see the end product. The taste was, it was okay. Yes, that's what I would say. It was okay, but it was not giving what banana bread should give as per the person that tasted it. The person was like, it's okay, but it's not as, it was not giving what banana bread should give. Well, my granite wasted, oats wasted, milk wasted. Ah, God, it is well. Well, I believe everyone has that recipe which, when they give it the first attempt, they don't really succeed in it. But when next they take should I advice from other people, criticisms from other people, they will be able to get it better. So if you know what I did wrong, please let me know, so that when next in the future, because it is not happening anytime soon, because things are really expensive. So when next in the future I'm trying it, I will know what to avoid and what to do and what not to do. So thank you all for watching. As usual, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.